Hey guys, good afternoon. I am 7 First Alert meteorologist Kevin Jeans, and the rest of today, it's a beautiful day. Great day this afternoon, 79 degrees. A lot of us could hit 80 degrees, and it's going to be a little breezy, but it's going to be mostly sunny for the rest of today and dry and just a pleasant Monday afternoon. And then tonight, it'll be a comfortable night. Winds get a little lighter out of the east, 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll have low temperatures dropping to about 60 degrees. So it's a comfortable night. And it'll be a cool start to the day. Once again, Tuesday, temperatures about the same as they were Monday morning. So let's get to Tuesday afternoon. We'll have a chance of showers developing as an area of low pressure starts to develop and moves in from the southwest to the northeast. So not a great chance of rain for everybody, but I think we'll have enough kind of spotty showers, maybe a thunderstorm, to put in a 30% chance that you do catch a shower tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. And then for right now, Wednesday does look dry. There may be some rain developing and moving across northern lower Michigan, but we'll keep a close eye on it. It looks like it should stay to the north of us at this point, but there's still also a real slight chance that we may end up putting a shower or two in the forecast for Wednesday afternoon. But for now, we're keeping it dry. So Monday today, near 80 degrees, and then Tuesday tomorrow, we'll have temperatures topping out in the low to mid 80s, depending on where the rain falls. And once the rain develops, could cool down a bit. So shower possible for the baseball game tomorrow. Sun goes down at 9:10, by the way, and temperatures are going to be in the 80s the next couple of days. So Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds, high temperature 82, a very slight chance of a shower, but Tuesday we'll keep an eye on for Tuesday afternoon and evening, some scattered showers developing. Enjoy the rest of Monday, though.